Today, I'll be showing you how to create this creative photo manipulation effect. First and foremost, you search for your image on the internet or you download it from this video. Now click and drag my image here. After I click and drag, I will trim the image. Can you see that? I will trim the image. Now how do I do that? Right click on the layer. You right click on the layer and say rasterize layer. When you now rasterize the layer, click on quick selection tool and say select object. When you select the object, you have something like this to select the object for you. Can you see that? When you now select the object, right click on the layer and say you create a layer mask on the object. Automatically it will remove the original image and you have your layer mask in this one. Now right click on the layer again and say convert to object. Now we convert the object, automatically the background goes off the image. You now have only the background and your object. For example, can you see that? Now I have only the background and the object. Can you see that? Now what you now do, you input your text. This is our text. I want to use the word cook as our text, giving it color white. I say that you give it this color, then expand the text in this form. You expand your text in this form. After you have expanded the text, in this form, right click on the text layer and say convert to shape. Now you convert the text to shape, then right click on the text in your canvas, right click and say wrap. Now wrap the text. Now I want to wrap the text around the object, then do something like this. On the object, click on the text. To mark you the text, hold down Ctrl key and click on the layer. It will mark you the text, then hide the text. You hide the text, then you have only your marking. Click on your object. Click on the object and create a layer mask. Now something like this. You create a layer mask, then you have something like this. After all set and done, click on the layer mask and click on your airbrush tool and restore back other part of the object. Make sure you change your foreground color to white. The foreground color to white. to restore back other part of your object. You can download Photoshop Smoke Brush from the internet, or you download from this tutorial. Now look for the smoke effect. Click on it on any of the smoke objects. Increase the size. Now select a color from the object. Click and select the color. Then drop the color or the smoke brush, smoke on the object. But make sure you create a new layer. Can you see that? Now rotate it in this form. Reduce the size a bit. Rotate it. Now create the layer mask for that object and in erase, change your brush type from smoke to smooth object. Smooth brush. Then you erase. Right. You erase, you can increase the size a bit. You erase object a bit, then you move it down. Hold down the Alt key to duplicate. Hold down the Alt key to duplicate. You rotate it in this form. Reduce the size. Duplicate by holding down the Alt key. Now something like this. Now I'll hold down the Alt key and drag another one here, then mirror up and left. move it in a bit, you have something like this. Now after you have done that, you click on the layer of the object, which is the cook. You click on the layer, click on layer marks and erase, move some parts so that you have the effect showing directly on the smoke. That's what you got. Again, to foreground. Take away those parts which you don't want to show on the object in this form. These are simple. These are the steps to get this object done, to get this photo manipulation done. Now I will come in, add a fill as if there's a fill of light. If you look at the object, the pepper object, you come to the internet, right click, you search the word that brought this object is lens flare, then you right click and you see what, copy, go back to your software, paste, go back to Photoshop and paste. Now you can reduce the size of the object. Now after you have positioned the object, the lens flare in this form, click on the layer and say screen. Give it screen just to make the object have a feel. Right. I want to add the layer mask to reduce the size, some unwanted area of the object. Can you see that? So unwanted area of the object is gone. I'll now have something like this. Now go back to the white foreground color. Click on gradient tool. I'll change my foreground color to something like this.